You want to get a really round, perky bottom? Well, today's video is a 10-minute booty burner workout. Hi, I'm Gabby. Welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. If you've not already hit subscribe, go ahead, do that right now so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video. Today, as I said, is a 10-minute follow along booty workout. We have 5 exercises. There is going to be a timer at the top of the screen so you can see how far you are into each exercise, and there's also going to be the name of the exercise on the screen. First up, we have a forearm all fours right side, side lying right side, cardio bridge. Then we're going to go forearm all fours left side, side lying left side. But don't worry, it's super easy to follow along and I'm absolutely sure you will get the burn. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment underneath the video when we have finished. Let's get straight into it. Coming in towards your first exercise, forearm all fours. Both the forearms come down towards the floor. Number 11, knees down to the floor. You're gonna squeeze your right heel in towards your right glute. Now send the toe up towards the ceiling. Let's go in towards your 2 minutes. Now you're gonna bring your knee in towards your chest and squeeze all the way up and lift. Now you're on your forearm, so it might just go down to the floor and bring it all the way back up again. You want your heel as tight as you can in towards your glute, pressing as heavy as you can up towards the ceiling. Now the belly button is pulling away from the floor. You're engaging your core as you squeeze the toe up, all the way lift and press. Keep going, squeezing in, all the way up and press. You want both the hip bones pointing to the floor. So the hip placement is a square down towards the floor. Push all the way up and lift to the ceiling. Squeezing down to the floor. So we're going to go right side work first. So we have this and then we have your sideline, but your right leg is working. Squeeze all the way down, keeping those hips nice and square. Push all the way up and lift. Just give me 3 more of these. Press all the way up to the ceiling. 2 more. The harder you push with that toe, the more intense it's going to get, but the better the results. 1 more squeezing in. Now I want you to press and hold. Keep the toe up to the ceiling. Then you're going to take little tiny lifts of the toe. Lift up, lift up, lift up, and squeeze. Now this is where it really starts to get intense. This is where you're going to fatigue out the muscle and make the change you want. So you're building up your butt, making it nice and round and perky. Working on your gluteus maximus right now. So that top part of your butt that makes it nice and round and perky. We're building up that muscle. Go squeeze up. Let's go lift up. Keep going, pushing that toe up. Again, the heavier you push, the more intense it gets, the more it burns. But do not worry, you only have 20 more seconds here left. Go push and push. Go squeeze. Can you get that leg a little bit higher? Can you push even heavier? Squeeze it up, lift. You have just 8 seconds. 7, 6. Remember the right leg's in the air. Go 4, go 3, 2, 1. Straight away, go on towards your left side. So your right leg is still the working leg. Bend this underneath knee, lift the toe up and away. Now you're going to bring the toe forwards and then lift, push it all the way backwards. Bring the toe round, tap the floor, lift it up, squeeze it back. So the right leg is in the air, it comes in front of yourself, lifts, pushes round to the side. That underneath knee is bent, supported. Your underneath forearm is on the floor and you are still driving the waist away from the floor because you actually can get a waistline, an oblique and ab workout if you keep pulling the waist away from the floor as well as putting that leg round. I know, it's getting intense. Try and take yourself somewhere hot, sunny. I know, maybe you want cold right now. Whether you want to close your eyes, take yourself there right now. Squeeze it round, tap the toe. All the way around to the side, you've got this. We're going to take 4 more of these, I know. Push to the side. Again, the heavier you press with this, the harder it's going to get. Squeeze up, round and push. Keep going. Tap. Squeeze up, press to the side. And then you're going to bring the toe forwards as much as you possibly can. And hold right there. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Do not drop it down. Sweep it back to the side. We're getting into your side butt now. We're getting right into that gluteus medius, right in the side. Do not let that toe drop down. If it's going anywhere, it's going up. hips are forwards here, pressing through the forearm. Give me a little lift, lift, go squeeze, keep going, pressing the side of your leg up to the ceiling. Just give me 8, 7, 6, 5 lifts, 4, let it shake, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Roll yourself straight on towards your back. We've got a cardio bridge for a minute. Bring the palms to the floor, press the heels in, lift the hips up, upper spine still on the floor. Drop, lift, drop, lift. So you want your knees over the top of your heels. So you've got one straight line from your knees down to the heels. Every time you lift your hips, you're going to give your glutes a squeeze together. Now you can either go here with the hands off the floor like this in your cardio bridge, you are going as fast as you can right now, or you can always push them down if you need to get through it. You want to think knees are in line with the hips, you have 2 straight lines down the side of the body. Keeping those hands off will make it harder. If you want it even more intense, you really want to make the change, get a round perky butt today, squeeze your glutes together on the up and go faster. You've got this. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Keep on going. Give me 8 more seconds. Then we're into that left side. Keep on going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rock back, rock forwards. No time to think about the burn. Down to your forearms. Left heel, left glute. Push up and hold. Eye line to the floor. 2 minutes. Squeeze all the way in. Press back to the ceiling, lift. Now you want to make sure your left knee, your left hip, your left shoulder are in one straight line. Do not sit into your right hip. So that supported leg side, don't sit into it. By that I mean, don't push the hip out. If your right hip on that supporting side is aching, you just need to visualize your body being pushed up against a wall, and you should find a better burnout on your supporting leg. All the way up and lift. Keep going. The heels in line with the glute on that working leg. All the way press and squeeze. Now again, the harder you push, the more intense this is gonna get. I know. All the way up, squeeze and lift. Keep going. You've got another 5 more of these. Push all the way up. You got 4 more. Squeezing it. All the way lift. Imagine you're pushing something heavy up to the ceiling as you lift. Just give me 2 more. Squeezing in. How badly do you want that round bum in your dress? Squeeze it in. Now push up and hold. Keep the toe up to the ceiling. Now squeeze the heel a little bit tighter. Hips to the floor. Little tiny. Lift. Lift. Squeeze. Let it burn. If it's burning, if it is shaking, you are adapting the muscle. You're making a round perky bum, so do not worry about that. Keep on going, hold on to it, push, lift. It is just a good sign that you're working hard. Go squeeze and squeeze, keep on going. 15 more seconds left to go. We are rounding up your butt today, lift. Go squeeze and squeeze. Give me 10 more seconds here. Keep going. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 lifts, 2, 1. Well done. Straight away on towards your right forearm. Bend the underneath knee, lift the leg and hold. Sweeping the foot round to the front, tap the toe, lift up, push all the way around. Some people call this the mermaid. You're just in a sideline position with that left leg working all the way around. Bring the leg in front, tap the toe, press all the way around to the side. So you want to double check, are your hips square to the front? Are they square? They should be gorgeous to square around. All the way, tap down, press all the way back. Keep on going. Tap the floor, lift up, push it back. You have another 4 of these. Let's go for it. Squeeze all the way back. As you bring the leg forward, push something heavy down, lift it up, press it heavy back. Imagine you have a bag that is full of bricks on your toe. Squeeze it back, all the way forward, tap, push all the way up and lift. Now you're gonna hold there, keep the leg to the side. Inhale in, exhale, shoot the leg forwards. Give me 5 seconds here. 4, 3, hold, 2, do not drop it down, 1, push it back, squeeze it now, a little bit higher. Mine's going down, but I'm gonna go up, squeeze it up to the ceiling. The hips are square forwards. The side of your seat, side of your glute is facing up to the ceiling. Push through the forearm, draw that waistline away from the floor. Get your obliques working here too. Inhale, exhale, add a little tiny lift, lift. We can get through this together. I'm telling you that right now because I'm burning so much. We can get through this together. Elongate through that knee, draw that toe as long as you can. how much do you really want to work your booty today? Lift, go squeeze and up. We are so close. Give me 10, 9, get it higher, one more inch higher, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, well done. You've made it through. Let's have a quick stretch. Right foot over the top of that left leg. You're gonna draw the leg in, push the chest forward, and you should feel that stretch into the glute, into the outside, into that gluteus medius. Switch it up. Pop the other leg on top, draw it in. Nice deep breath. Well done in your booty burner workout today. Drop me any comments, feedback down below. If you'd like to see anything in particular, let me know. I will film that. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. I will see you all again next time. Bye.